Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are an IT student or planning to study IT, one common question is should you choose a Windows laptop or a MacBook? In this video, I will compare Windows and Mac OS based on software compatibility, programming, hardware, and my personal experience as an IT student. First, let's talk about software compatibility. Windows has an advantage because many universities use Windows computer in their computer labs. In my universities, most lab computers run Windows and many of the software used in my coursework is designed for Windows, like Visual Studio Code, XMPP, MySQL, VirtualBox, and Microsoft Office. Mac OS also supports many development tools like Visual Studio Code, Docker, Git, and Terminal. However, some Windows-based software may require alternatives or virtualization. Therefore, using Windows can provide a more consistent learning experience if your university environment is mainly Windows-based. Both Windows and Mac OS are excellent for programming. Windows is commonly used for C Sharp, .NET development, database management, and enterprise applications. Meanwhile, Mac OS is based on Unix, making it popular for web development, Python, and software development. It is also the only platform that officially support Xcode for iOS app development. So if your goal is to become an iOS developer, macOS may be the better choice. Besides the operating system, hardware is also important. From my experience, 8 GB of RAM is not enough for my daily workload. Example like when I run Visual Studio Code, Spotify or Apple Music, Chrome with many tabs, Microsoft Teams and other applications together, then my laptop becomes slower. 16 GB of RAM can let multitasking become much smoother and I could complete my assignments or coding more efficiently. This also applies to gaming. Windows is usually the better choice for gamers because it supports a much larger game libraries and provide more hardware options including powerful NVIDIA and AMD graphic cards. Many modern games also require more memory, especially when running background applications like Discord, Steam, or browser. Therefore, 16 GB of RAM is a better choice for both studying and gaming. Another major difference is hardware flexibility. Windows laptops are available in many price range, from affordable model to high performance gaming laptops. Many Windows devices also allow upgrades like increasing RAM or storage. MacBooks are known for excellent battery life, premium build quality, and smooth integration with other Apple devices. However, they usually have fewer hardware choice and limited upgrade options. So, which one should you choose? Based on my experience as an IT student, Windows is the more practical choice for me because it matches my university environment, supports the software I use, and provides more hardware options. However, Mac OS is still an excellent choice for students in the interest in iOS development or those who prefer Apple ecosystem. Ultimately, the better choice is depends on your course as requirement, budget, and personal needs. Thanks for watching.